guys, we're gonna do barbecue at 33. Let's get this shit done. Alright. We need to start killing these suckers as fast as possible. I'm going to back them up a little bit and try to get them. I don't know if that's far enough. 1, 2, no, it's not far enough, but that is okay. Alright. I'm already alerting it by shooting, so let me just bring my ass over here and just kill it. No, there we go. Alright, we're fixing to be in deep doo-doo, guys. I know that sounds terrible, but it's true. We're gonna have to kill something and keep something back. Morgan's gonna take a beating here, just saying. Alright. We need to get over here before they kill off our Morgan. Alright, we're gonna park our Morgan right there and let him take a hit again. Alright, so we're gonna run. Maybe it's not working. We'll go this way. Come on, Zex. Alright, so we got 2 more left. Let's get over here and get them dead. Y'all excuse my country music. I'm in a... Oh my god, there's 3 over there. Crap. This is gonna be beautiful. We need to try to kill some of these for real zeal. And I used her special. Oh crap. Did you see what I did? Oh man, she's gonna get hit. Oh shit, I better go over there and see if I can put Morgan in their place. I mean, it really, really sucked, but hopefully we can kill them. Move Morgan up a little bit more. If we make 3 stars in this, we will be lucky as hell. Let's peek. There it is. Let's get back over here now that we attracted its attention. Let's shoot it again in the face. Yep. Let it come to us. Alright, we're going to put on our special and run past this sucker. And let's kill it. Oh, we did it. Sucky now. Alright. Let's get over here and get this last one dead. I'm going to shoot it. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to stab it with Daryl. Oh, we did it. And we 3-starred it. Dang, we got lucky.